You ever hear the name Databricks and just feel a little lost in all the buzzwords? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. It's one of the most powerful and, let's be honest, often misunderstood platforms in the data world. So, okay, let's dive right in and actually demystify this whole story of the Lakehouse. It all really starts with a pretty simple but absolutely massive problem. For decades, we've been wrestling with this one central question. Why is managing big data so unbelievably hard? Well, the answer really lies in this fundamental conflict that's right at the heart of our data systems. So, for years, the data world has pretty much been split into two separate kingdoms. On one side, you've got your data warehouses, and you can think of these like pristine, perfectly organized libraries. Everything is structured, it's curated, it's super reliable. And then on the other side, you have data lakes. And these are more like a giant, kind of messy attic. You can just dump anything and everything in there, which makes them really flexible and cheap, but also pretty chaotic and tough to manage. Now, here's the kicker. Organizations, well, they need both. They need the structured reliability of that library and the flexible, low-cost storage of the attic. But when you try to use both of them side by side, you just end up with this complicated, inefficient mess. It creates these things called data silos, where different teams can't even see or work with the same information. It's a real headache. And this is where the hero of our story comes into play, the Lakehouse solution. It's a totally new approach that was designed to end this conflict once and for all. So, what in the world is a lakehouse? Well, simply put, it's a modern data architecture that promises the absolute best of both worlds. It's designed to give you the high performance and the reliability of a data warehouse, but with the massive scalability and low cost of a data lake. It's one unified system that tries to do it all. Okay, that sounds pretty fantastic, right? Almost a little too good to be true. So the obvious question is, how is that even possible? How do you take that chaotic, messy attic and give it all the structure and reliability of a perfectly organized library? The answer lies in a foundational, open-source technology that really powers this entire concept, and that is the magic of Delta Lake. Delta Lake is pretty much the secret sauce here. It's an open-source storage layer that sits right on top of your existing, low-cost data lake. And what it does is it adds this missing layer of warehouse-like reliability. It brings in these critical features like ACID transactions to finally make all the data in your lake completely trustworthy. And this reliability, it unlocks some absolutely incredible features. First, ACID transactions guarantee that your data operations either complete fully or they don't happen at all, just like a bank transfer, which means your data is always consistent. Then there's time travel, which is a total lifesaver. It lets you literally rewind your data to a previous version to fix a mistake or just to see how things looked last week. And finally, schema enforcement acts like a bouncer at the door, stopping bad data from ever getting in and messing up your tables. This technology makes a really effective data processing pattern possible, and it's called the Medallion architecture. It's simple. Data flows from its raw, untouched state in what are called bronze tables. Then it gets cleaned up and structured into silver tables. And finally, it's aggregated into business-ready gold tables. It's just a clear, reliable path from messy, raw data to super valuable insights. All right, so you've built this incredible, reliable data foundation with Delta Lake. So what? What's the real payoff here? Well, it's getting to have one single, unified platform for every single one of your data workloads. And this is huge. I mean, think about it. Data engineers building pipelines, business analysts running their SQL queries, and data scientists building machine learning models, they can now all work on the exact same data at the exact same time. No more making endless copies and shipping data between different teams. This right here is the ultimate game changer. No more data silos. Everyone from every single team is working from a single trusted copy of the data. It completely revolutionizes how teams can collaborate, and most importantly, how much they can trust their data. But okay, having one platform for everyone raises a really critical question, right? How do you manage all of this? How do you secure it and control access to everything? Well, the answer is all about governing your data. The answer from Databricks is something called Unity Catalog. You can think of it as the central rulebook or maybe the constitution for your entire lakehouse. It's one single unified place to manage who can access what, to audit how data is being used, and to discover all of your data and AI assets. And what this gives organizations are the critical capabilities they need for real enterprise-grade governance. You get a central home for all your metadata, you get fine-grained control over who sees what, the ability to actually track how data flows through your pipelines, and a super easy way for people to find the data they actually need to do their jobs. So when you put all of these pieces together, you've got the Lakehouse architecture, you have Delta Lake's reliability, and you have Unity Catalog's governance. What you start to see is a really clear and powerful vision for where the entire data industry is heading. And that future is unified. This quote from Databricks really sums up the entire mission perfectly. The goal is to unify data warehousing and data lakes into a single, open, and collaborative platform, and finally put an end to all the compromises we had to make in the past. And that leaves us with one final thought. While the Lakehouse offers this really powerful vision for the future, getting there requires a shift in mindset, not just a shift in technology. So take a look at your own organization's data strategy and ask yourself, is your architecture still stuck fighting the old wars of the past, or is it ready for a Lakehouse?